Yes, okay, yeah, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another weekend and another day for sharing the outlook of the market on Gold Spot. So now this marks the first analysis of 2024. So actually, let's expect a lot of analysis now as the year goes on because we do analysis every weekend. So actually, this analysis is going to be divided into three parts. Now, the first part is the overall analysis of the market. The second part will be the probable direction, the primary projection, and the third part will be the alternative projection. So I do analysis in 4 different time frames. So I start with the monthly time frame, then I go down to 4-hour time frame. So make sure that you watch till the 4-hour time frame, because in 4-hour time frame it is where I provide a probable direction for the coming week. So actually, the probable direction is determined by a combination of things actually. So we have the wave counts. We do the trend lines, and also I do the wave counts. So we have wave counts here, and also I do the support and the resistance. So now in a combination of all those things, actually I can provide a probable direction, and it's together with reading the candlestick patterns. So sometimes I read the candlestick patterns. So actually, that's how we're going to determine the probable direction. Yeah, okay, so let me start with the monthly time frame and see the key things to consider in the monthly time frame that can be used to determine the probable direction for the coming week. So actually, in monthly time frame, actually, we already have this monthly candle and it has already closed now. So we expect now the next monthly candle will be just a new candle. So this has already marked its formation. So it has formed a sort of the spinning top, or sometimes it's like a close indecision, but actually we know that buyers actually control the market at this region. So all in all, this marks the fight between buyers and sellers. So at this region, we expect that buyers and sellers, they are almost in a balanced power. So, but basically, all in all, because we have this key level here. So we have this key level to the upside. So price respected this several times. So we expect even now at this level, price is going to respect and move to the downside. So that possibly is going to happen. So we'll see what's going to happen. But all in all, in the monthly time frame, we are not completely down and we are not full up. So it is like a sideways thing if you go to lower time frames. So then we have this level down here. I talked last week that our price is broken the level and is playing above. So we can expect now a price moving sideways now in a range below this one and above this this support here. So that's powerful. Then quickly in the weekly time frame, we can have the highlights. So now in the weekly time frame, what we see there, actually I talked about those 2 candles. Now this is the 4th or 3rd week now. I talk about those 2 candles, and I said as long as price is below these 2 candles here, we are looking bearish in a weekly time frame. So basically, we see this week it tried to push up, but it closed with a rejection. So and we have this level down here. So basically, as long as price is above this level, we can expect probable continuation to the upside. But based on this formation in relation to the level and the overall wave count, we expect the price will now start moving to the downside now from this region. But will be down when the price is under, it is trading now below this support line, and will be completely down when the price is moving below this support level here. So basically, let's watch for the possible push to the downside or further confirmations for bearish momentum in weekly time frame. Then quickly in daily time frame, we can have some highlights there. So in daily time frame, actually, I can mostly talk of the ABC to the upside. So even last week I talked about the ABC and we were here. So I was expecting basically price not to move above this candle. But all in all, I said we have this trend line, so price is not going to move above this trend line. So Now what happened, the price managed to move above this candle, but it was still below this trend line. So this still indicates that we are still looking down. We are looking for a clear bearish momentum. Then in addition, now this week price has formed those two candles at this level. So we have this trend line, we have this resistance level. So at the same place, now we have those two candles. Now we have the bearish engulfing thing. So this one has engulfed the previous one. So the next candle has respected very well the Friday candle. So this clearly indicates that we're expecting for the next bearish candles now at this region. That is powerful in daily time frame. Then in 4-hour time frame, the last time frame for the projection, and then I will provide the possible entries for the coming week. So basically, now in the 4-hour time frame, price pushed up, and I have discovered the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside in the completion of wave C, because this was an ABC to the upside, which was just correcting this move to the downside. So actually we have a clear ABC to the upside. So if ABC has already completed, and we have seen price was respecting moving above this trend line and currently has broken and retested and is pushing down, so we can expect a continuation to the downside in the coming week. But all in all, how are we going to trade next week? So for now, based on this formation, if you go down to lower time frames like the 1 hour and 30 minutes, so we can expect now a little push to the upside. When market opens, it may push to the upside, and then it will resume to the downside now after that correction. So you can do the Fibonacci here and look for those key Fibonacci levels in 4-hour time frame to see how far this may correct to the upside, and then we'll proceed to the downside. So you can sell straight from here, but if not, you can just wait for a short push to the upside, and then we'll be selling now after price has pushed to the upside. So that is the overall projection for the coming week. But now that's the primary projection. Now alternatively, now if you see prices pushing above this level, you see this one. Now if you see price pushing above this level, above this line, price is trading above this. So actually we'll be looking for a break to the upside, retest. After this clear retest and buy confirmation, so we can continue buying to the upside. But this one is very rare. This is less likely to happen. Now in most cases, I consider these sells. So mainly we'll be selling now from around maybe 2081. If price is going to push up, then we write down to around 2006. So at this region, because we still have this level, so it may bounce to the upside. So make sure that you are very keen with this push to the downside. So that's powerful. Thank you for your time, and have a powerful weekend. Make sure that you like. If you have any comment, you can write in the comment section. If you have any addition to what I've shared here, also you can write in the comment section based on what you suggest now to be added in this analysis. And also like and also share this video if you think it's going to help someone else. So thank you for your time, and have a powerful weekend.